What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV coming to you from Milano. So right here we have the Duomo, Milano. I've had a layover here in Milan. It's the morning time, and here we go. So I'm going to be catching the train to Rome, but in the meantime I've decided to walk around the Duomo. My train leaves at 11:30. Got hop on, hop off buses. Lots of them. You got a Gucci building over there. So this is the Duomo Cathedral. They also have shopping here. It's one of the oldest shopping malls. Very good. You can even go up there. There's people up there. You can see the whole area here. They have a famous Leonardo da Vinci painting here. So far, while I've been here in Milan, I've met people named Leonardo, Donatello, Raphael. If you like high-end shopping, this is where you need to be, right? Italian made. Italian made. Gucci. Wow, look at the floor here. Simply amazing. By the way, if you guys wanted to watch that train ride that I'm going to do from Milan to Rome, you can check out my other channel, VertCam Travel. Some of you guys were curious about that. That's the name. I just did Zurich to Milan, but really nice place here. We got Prada, Dior, Prada, Louis Vuitton. I think that's the oldest Prada store. Wow. Just the floor itself is quite spectacular. I actually rode a bird bike down here. That Berg bike ride is with Uber, and on Google it said it was going to take 16 minutes, but it really took like 40 minutes. Probably more user error, but also a little bit of discrepancy with the timing. I don't know how fast they think people ride bikes, but they must be riding it really quickly. Anyway, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to be doing here coming up is heading to Rome, then hopefully back up to Florence, and then from Florence I'll have to pick a direction. I'll either go towards Slovenia or I'll go towards France. Being that I just came from Switzerland, I won't be going north. There's benefits to going both ways. If I go towards France, obviously Monaco, Nice, and then on to Spain. The benefit of going to Slovenia is Bosnia, Serbia, all new countries, new areas, Georgia, Romania, in that direction. So there's benefits to going to both directions. We'll see. But either way, I've got to get to Rome. Haven't been there in a few years. Long overdue. Rome is like one of the most famous places. Make a video. If you make a video in Rome, that's a good place to make a video every few years for your channel. I've been to Rome. I think this will be my third time to Rome. No, fourth time. I've already been there 3 times. Usually I come in the other way through France. This is my first time coming in through Switzerland into Milan. I usually go down Geneva, Lyon, Monaco, Nice, and then drop back down again. So in that case, I usually go towards like the Cinque Terre, Pisa, Florence. Florence is on the way to Rome actually from Milan, so that's cool. Can't believe the roads are still made of rock. These are stone roads. That's what's amazing about Italy. So much craftsmanship went into building these cities in Europe. That's why they're still standing strong. This generation that we have now, they just build things out of wood, stucco. Like the homes that were built in Scotland, they're still standing. They're all made of rock. They do have a subway here. Just so you know, if you want to take the subway, it's about 4 stops away from Milan Central, Milano Centrale. do have Uber here. Yesterday I went to Lugano, made a video over there. Then I made a stop over in Lake Como, just wasn't feeling it. I wanted to go to Bellagio. I couldn't find a place to store my luggage. I was tired. Already had been to Lucerne. So I decided just get on the train to Milan. Stayed at the Hilton nearby the station. Cost $150 or 150 euros. Stay at the Hilton. Old hotel, old Hilton. Very old. Bed was comfortable though, that's all that I needed. Internet was incredibly fast. I've never seen internet that fast for a hotel, for a Hilton. I was like, what the heck? Faster than anything I saw in Switzerland. So I'm gonna head over to the station and pick up what I get there. I'm gonna pick up my luggage and start over with the VertCam travel. Okay, we're here at Milano Centrale. I'll just show you around the main station here. You can see they really put some work into this. This is like the next big evolution after riverboats came the trains, and obviously all that's been replaced now by airplanes and cars. They don't really build airports as grandiose like this. I guess maybe Singapore did. In Northern Europe, they build the most basic airports, especially in the north. I went to Austria, Edinburgh recently. Amsterdam's nice, but nothing like this, like grandiose, you know. I've never been to the Milan airport. Been to Italy, Rome's. Nothing too crazy going on there. Anyways, guys, I will see you on the next one from Rome.